What is up, everybody? Tyler with TJ Times 2 Cards, and today we are at the Virginia Beach Fieldhouse show. And when you think of the beach, you think of warm weather. Well, guess what, buddies? It is not warm today. It's 19 degrees. There's a snowstorm coming tonight. We got to get in here, get in fast, get in quick, get the hell out, get back home, and let's go ahead, pick up some heat to help with this snow. Let's go make some deals.
He's minus 205 on Malleus. There's some good fucking fights, man.
Minus 205 ain't bad at all.
Dude, I'm betting on Derek Lewis. I don't care.
Oh, yeah. That's a lot.
Right? Like,
that's a lot.
He's plus 250. If you bet him to knock
he's
him out.
Minus 250, right?
Huh?
He's minus 250.
No, Derek Lewis plus 250.
No, I'm talking about, you said O'Malley's minus.
Minus 205.
180. It's 205 sticker.
Yeah, that's fine.
He looks big.
Here's two.
Let me get you.
Oh.
Yeah. I love that. Can you hear me? Here, I got you. He's got you. Appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
Always.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Yeah, sorry we've been getting cleaned out hard in the shop, man.
Shit.
I need to buy stuff.
It's
I'll hit you up.
it works. It works.
Yeah.
I had
Stuff's just been moving so easy. I mean,
it is. I had like 5 to 6 people hit me up in the DM saying like, come here before, like as soon as you get here. I'm like, I'm stopping up at the same people I go to first.
I appreciate you, my man.
Yeah, absolutely. Josh Jacobs out of 25, Amarion Hampton RPA out of 99, and BTJ Immaculate RPA out of 99. Sneaky 2-color patch for 180. Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. We'll be in touch, man.
I pull a few things from here. Can I just grab them?
Yep.
All right. That's good. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. 75, 50, 60. 160 on this. It's a little above 85. Thank you, man. Thanks, D. I appreciate you.
I think about that. Or should I just wait on
Appreciate you.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. For 160, we got Michael Penix out of 25, LT on card, and Ray Lewis gold finest grades for 160. Okay if I grab a few things?
Yeah.
I didn't want to start grabbing without asking.
Yep. I'll hold it up for you. How about that?
Thank you. Perfect.
Don't wipe me out of my Trevion now.
You like?
You
I'm
can
a
take some.
I'm a big Travion guy.
Yeah. I just don't wipe me completely out because that's one of those cards that everybody wants.
Yeah. I'm a big Travion believer.
See, I know I have to buy really good patches because he comes in and wipes me out every time.
Jack Youngblood. Matthew Golden.
You interested in either one of those? I just picked them up.
No, I'll pass on
Okay.
it. Thank you, though.
I just wanted to show them to you.
No, I appreciate it.
Because I ain't got them. I don't have them in the case or not. I'll probably have to put them in the case while you're going.
I'll buy a bunch.
I know you do. Hey, there's a whole nother case over there too.
Yeah, I'm gonna go make my way over there.
I just want to know, is this pretty lady here your wife?
That's my wife. This is Madeline.
Hey, Madeline.
Nice
good
to
morning.
meet you.
Very nice to meet you. Nice warm hands.
All right, I'm good there.
All right.
Let's see. Do I want?
Here, let me have those. I'll just set them out.
Yes,
Set them
please.
down. You bought Kyron Williams from me the last time.
Kyron's good. I like Kyron.
Yeah, I do too.
Do I want Rome?
I have another Rome.
Oh, what's the other one?
You might have picked it up out of the other case.
I don't know if I did yet.
Nope, I see it right up there. I'll show it to you when you're done.
Perfect.
What's going on, man?
How's it going?
How are you? Good to see you again.
Yep.
Got some of that one. Trying to stick to my price range
Yep,
more
I know
today.
what you're doing. We bought enough that I know what you're looking for.
Could I see the Ed Too Tall Jones?
What's your number? Under 100?
Pretty much, yeah. I'm good. I'm
Good
good.
there?
Yes, sir. All right. And here's
These
these.
are those.
All right. Could I pull these two as well? Sorry. And did you say you had another Rome?
This is the Rome right here. And,
I think it's
that's not-
DeAndre
that's
Swift.
DeAndre.
Yeah. I'll pull it still.
That was the only Rome then. I was thinking that was Rome, but that was DeAndre. You might as well get the Yoshivash too. I mean, don't leave one bingle.
All right. All right. I'm good. I'm good. Perfect.
All right.
All right.
Let's do some math here, and then we'll.
I was like, "Where's my case?"
She grabbed it. I do the same thing.
Screwed you up. I'm sorry.
You're good. You're good.
I didn't think about it until I was halfway done.
You're good.
It's like, oh well.
Let me just check.
Oh well.
It's impressive that you're able to do it all in your head. I can't. My
Yeah.
brain will be fried.
I'm a numbers guy for sure.
Yeah.
Watch me be wrong now.
No. It sounds right.
Did you not do those?
No, I just started.
Oh, you started over?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because I didn't know where I was.
I got you.
And then I didn't want to be wrong either.
What's that?
I didn't want to be wrong.
Yeah. Did y'all have a good Christmas, good New Year's?
Yeah. How was yours?
Good, quiet.
That's
Y'all have kids?
yeah.
How
we
old
have-
are they?
Emerson she'll be 4 in July,
Good.
and Teddy he'll be 1 in a couple weeks.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
That's awesome. What'd you come up with?
1075.
Ah, look at that. How about that?
Very good. Should do 900 cash. Cool.
See,
Thank you.
that's why you love me, because I'm so
I know.
easy.
I know.
I know.
No.
I told him. You got to do the Yoshivash. All right, let me do the inventory.
Yeah,
too.
absolutely. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Chris Olave, auto, Sterling Sharp, auto, Chris.
It's raining. Soccer.
Yeah.
Henry, auto,
1, 2,
Drake London,
3,
auto,
5, 6, 7, 8,
Matthew
9.
Golden, auto, Jack Youngblood, auto, Chase Brown, auto,
And here's that 900 for you. Just check after me. Thank you.
Always
again.
appreciate you.
Always appreciate you.
Yep, absolutely. Actually, it's funny. I woke up and I thought about you. I wonder if he's going to show up today. 'cause
Yeah,
I haven't
I'm
seen
not-
you in so long.
I'm not missing it. I'm not missing.
And you come to the casino next week?
No, I'm going to 3-point. I love 3-point.
Gotcha.
Lad McConkey, Tez Johnson RPA, TJ Hawkinson rookie, Sauce Gardner RPA, Jeff Saturday, Michael Pittman Origins RPA, Hunter Henry, Kyron Williams standouts, Spectrum Signatures Chase Brown,
Okay, that's a 7. What do I have it at?
Jack Youngblood on card,
No.
Matthew Golden
11.
Origins,
Yep.
Drake London
It's
RPA.
priced right in the comp. Yep.
Chris Henry.
Well,
I believe you.
RPA.
I thought in my head that it was something different, but
No.
is that what you guys
Sterling Sharp.
You can certainly make an auto buy.
Chris Olave.
I sold the other one, the 8.5 for less
Jimmy
than
Graham patch
14,
auto.
which was the comp on
Terry
that.
McLaurin. Jonathan Ogden. DeAndre Swift. Ollie Gordon. Ken Anderson. Najee Harris RPA. Ed Too Tall Jones and Randy White for $900. Appreciate you again.
Always.
All right.
Okay.
And then could I pull the tie, the DJ right beside it? Yeah. The Scattaboo Rookies and Stars. Yeah. And
With the Mendoza, right?
no. Great job pulling that though.
We got lucky. We got lucky pulling that one.
Great
man.
job.
Which one is that?
It's the 101 Mendoza
The
Super Fractor.
Almond Raw.
We
as
got
well.
offered 17 grand on so far.
All right. That's good.
And there's the guy online. He's got the same one, but it's an auto. He got offered 30 grand or 40 grand.
Perfect.
I think 40 grand.
And then I'll look
Down.
through these. That's okay. Oh, you can
That's
put it
cool.
right
We-
there
we
if you
better
want.
pull. It's a cool one, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
We were excited.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, it was fun.
How have y'all been doing? How was your New Year's and Christmas?
Dude, it was awesome, man. We went to New York, had a good time.
I
New
saw
Year's
that.
came back and relaxed. How about you? It was good.
It was good.
We saw you like right before we went, I think.
We did.
You gave us a little extra spending money before we
I'll
left.
pass on these. It was great. We did. She's probably brought my wife with me today, so it should be interesting. But no, it was great. It was real quiet. Christmas we cooked for a bunch of people. Like my family has like 50 people, so
Yeah.
I smoked brisket, pork butt, and
Hell yeah. Oh, you
and
told me that you
wings.
were getting like a new smoker or something, right?
Yeah, I had to get a new smoker. That was
That's
for
right.
Christmas or
That's
for
right.
Thanksgiving.
Hell yeah.
So-
That's always fun.
It is until you see the price tag.
What kind do you have? Do you have a pellet or do you have?
I bought a pellet. I bought a
I like
black.
the pellets.
I bought a Blackstone. It's a Blackstone vertical smoker combo, so
Okay.
it's insane.
That's sick.
It is.
The pellets, everyone makes fun of the pellets. I feel like they're always like, oh, what is it, easy bake oven or something? But I'm like, man, this is convenience. It's 2026.
It takes a lot to.
Oh yeah, it ain't like yeah.
And it's harder to smoke on a. I mean, it's easier for the aspect like you don't have to worry about stoking your fire, but it's harder to get that smoke flavor in the meat.
No, for sure. No, I love them. I need to get me another one, honestly. My last one burned up.
They always do.
Yeah.
Always do. Okay. All right. I'll pass on these. But I'll look at those and then those two. I got to pick up the future Super Bowl MVP, right?
Right? Yeah. I mean, it can happen. You never know.
All right. Let me see those. All right. 140. I'll just make you a price off your stickers.
Yeah. Get your calculator, Madden, and add all those up for me. That way you
65.
can just cross-check. I know every once in a while we'll miss one.
Absolutely. It's the easiest way to do it.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead. I'll put them right here.
Cool. Yeah, find one more. Yeah, you're good. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. One guy got mad at me earlier because he found one he wanted. And I didn't have 50 cents. I was like, that's $1. He's like, no, man, it's 50 cents. I was like, find another one. Yeah. He got mad at me. I was like, all right, man, it's probably worth more than $10 the way you're after the way you want it, but yeah. Perfect.
1250 cash.
Let's do. Let's go 1300.
That's fine.
Work?
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
Huh?
All right.
I know. Yeah, I know. Well, luckily we got the things we can pull out of the other bin
1,
now.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just check after me.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Perfect.
You're the man, brother.
Thank
Appreciate you, man.
Steven. I
Thanks
appreciate
for stopping by, man.
Absolutely. So we got out of 75, Jason Myers, George Pickens, Sam Laporta RPA, Drake London RPA.
You're the man, brother.
This
I
is
appreciate
Amon
you.
Ra, signature gold, PSA 9 auto 10, rookie, Kyron Williams, Jalen McMillan, Rome, Adunze RPA, Keon Coleman rookie, Zach Charbonnet RPA, Trey McBride RPA, really nice patch, Jaden Reed, rookie Cooper Kupp, Dalton Kincaid rookie ticket, Scattaboo with Jim Harbaugh now as his head coach. Out of 25, High Point DJ Moore, Ty Simpson, the second quarterback in the draft now since Dante Moore went back to Oregon. Kenneth Walker RPA out of 99. Chase Brown Obsidian. Tyreek Hill, Silver Select, RPA Jamar Chase, Garrett Wilson rookie, Kenneth Walker out of 50, Joe Mixon RPA, Ricky Pearsall Obsidian RPA, and a PSA 9 Josh Jacobs sensational signatures for 1,300. I
That's a
appreciate
nice lot,
you,
man.
dude.
I'm jealous of that lot.
Absolutely, I
That's a sick
appreciate you,
one.
man. I'll tag. I appreciate you. Here you go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate you, deal. Keyshawn Johnson out of 5, and a Zay Flowers out of 25 RPA for 100. And the
Somebody had us pull it out.
the Mark Levy as well. This one. Yeah. They had you pull it and didn't take it? What a dummy. I'm gonna look through here real quick.
It's out of 25.
Alright.
That Pollard's been in my PC box for like 2 years.
Really?
Yeah, I finally was like, I'm gonna let go of it.
Do 100 for these? Cool. Here's 100. Appreciate you. Appreciate y'all, man. We got Tony Pollard scripts, orange. Mark Levy out of 25, and a Thurman Thompson all-time out of 30. That's a really cool card.
now with that one,
Two, the Olave and the Bijan.
What is it? How much?
The Olave and the Bijan, 130 cash.
130 cash.
Yeah.
I gotta look in the
No, you're good.
spreadsheet, man. Might do 140. Yeah.
That's fine.
Just
That's
because the Bijan's a case hit. So
No, that's fine.
Gold ink, yeah. FTO.
Every time I see it, I always buy one.
yeah, man, for sure.
Here's 140.
Yeah, let me take a picture real quick.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate you again.
it.
Thank
man,
you
of
so
course.
much. Gold Ink Pen Pals Bijan, and a Chris Olave out of 75 Panini 1 for 140. Question for you. If I took like a bunch of these cards, would you do 85% off your sticker?
Are we talking like the lower end stuff? Or
Yeah.
are you talking like taking the big boys?
No, the lower end. So like the Zay, Jordan, Nico, Jeff, Drew, Ricky, and then the Travis and the Jared. Just 85, not even looking up comps, just 85% off your sticker.
I'm trying to see if there's anything else I want to throw in there.
Yeah.
Do you want the Drake Mace at all?
No, I'll do the Johnny.
The Johnny's high, I'll tell you that already.
I'll still take 85%. Cool. Just to make it happen. Could I pull the Reggie too? Would you?
Which one?
This one?
Yeah.
The Micah.
It's gonna make me sad, but yeah, you can take
Okay.
it.
Genty.
Probably not Jid.
Okay. Dexter. I do autos.
I got you.
Dexter.
We'll do Dexter.
The Omarion.
I want to hold out to him.
Okay. That's kind of cool.
So I will tell you that there are very favorable comps with that
Really?
in your favor. So the last two sales were 90 and 100.
Oh my God.
We're into it very cheap. So
Okay. Would you take this one too?
yeah.
Okay. And then I'll do all those.
And then which one's out of here?
This one. Addison, Zay, Jeff, Drew, Ricky, the Golden, Travis, and then the McCain. Yeah. I figure I usually just ask before doing
Oh, that's
it.
smart.
Your
I used to do the same thing when I was on the other side.
well, your stickers look fair, so I'm not.
We try to stay as close to comp as.
I do it every weekend to where if I look at it, I can tell if it's in the ballpark,
Right.
and then not have to.
Because you'll walk by some people's tables and you'll be like, since when does a Malik Neighbors auto go for $500? That's like second year, blah, blah, blah.
I got 510.
Let me add up real fast.
Just check after me. Let's see.
510.
Yeah.
So 433,
Yeah.
430.
That's fine. That's cool. What's up, Army? How you doing, my friend? Oh man. Don't I have another 20?
I have change for you.
You do? Okay. I don't have another 20. I was hoping I had two of them. 4.
No, you said.
Yes, sir. How have you been doing? It was a great show last weekend. I bought a Kobe auto. Yeah. I sold it, but I'm glad I went because I won't miss another show. I won't miss a show.
Where was that at?
The Concord one, dude.
Really?
That's
Travis Hunter,
it's
Matthew Golden, Ricky Pearsall, Drew Pearson, Jeff Saturday, Zay Flowers, Jordan Addison, Nico Collins, Dexter Lawrence, Micah Parsons, Johnny Football, Reggie Wayne, Rudy, and Jared McCain for $430. Thank you again. I appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I was able to try to get against the last.
How's it going? I think you'd like to get that card there. Okay. How much I got on the back? 15 bucks. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Could have negotiated. Still look at some 100 stations. So I'm like, you should have got the Chrome Blast.
I've been buying singles at the flagship.
You take 240 cash? Cool.
Too easy. I knew I had a good bit of stuff.
Yeah, no, that's good. I appreciate it. There you go. Thank you again. I appreciate it. So we got for 240, Fred Taylor out of 99, Herman Moore, Pat Bryant,
I'll watch what you do, man.
Asante Samuel,
I know you're a retired
Xavier
vet, so
Leggett,
like,
Steve Atwater out of 50, Dylan Gabriel, really cool patch on that.
whatnot. I set up
This is Jadon Blue,
got back in.
Nate Frazier, Spencer Rattler, nice patch on that. This is Warren Moon, Jermaine Burton, and this is a Dallas Goddard, and we picked this up for 240. Donovan Peoples-Jones,
This stuff's cheap though. That's
Browns.
Yeah. The vertical true RPA did like 40.
Yeah, can I pull a few things?
Yeah, do your thing, man. I think you bought from me before.
Yeah.
We'll work something out. That's cool.
I just bought that Jonathan Taylor that you passed on.
Yeah, it's just tough. With
I gave him $50 for it.
Yeah,
So.
I probably would have, but I don't know how long it's going to take to move.
Yeah, I'm a Colts fan, so if it holds, then
For sure, yeah.
I'm cool with it. But
I don't have a lot of those stuff.
I tried to stay away from it as much as possible because it's hard for me to move.
Monroe's cool too.
How much are you asking for that?
I want to get like 70 out of it. I haven't. There's no gold comp. Like there's no comp.
Can I look at it?
Yeah, for sure. I know it's college, but
It don't matter. It all moves.
yeah, for sure. And then there's some more in here too. There's some
Yeah.
sneaky stuff in here.
I'll take a.
Are you good with this one?
Yeah. That's cool,
man. I know it's. I like how unique it is, though. And I'll work with it. You know that.
Cool. Yeah. I'm good now. Thank you. I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna go right here.
I was talking shit about you. I was like, you walked away again. I'm just kidding.
I finally made it over.
The bigger cards, it's more so like. Yeah, there's not much in here. I don't think.
No, you're good. You could. You're all you. Let me slide over. Okay. 70, 85.
I was thinking 75, 75.
Hopefully you can look something up because I can't. Like, my signal's completely out.
Oh, yeah, I mean, we looked these up.
This I remember was last doing around 60, and that was like a week or two ago.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think
Joey Bosa.
I think this is the one that we were pretty far off on. But I said I would do like.
I thought it might have been that one because I think this is the one that you
No, it was
you
this
had
one.
me at 80 on this one.
Yeah, it was this one that was much lower now. Because I had 100 on both of them. These are down to like 70.
16, 35.
This one's just tougher because there's no comps, obviously.
Yeah.
Is there anything?
I want it quick.
Raws are like $6 or $7.
No, you don't. You're never bothering me. You're good.
Probably about $30.
Yeah, I was gonna value it at 40.
Because I don't see that being 50.
35,
I was gonna say 170
40.
for everything.
I think it's
65 a piece. You
$40
pay me
card.
the 40 here.
I'm nervous about next weekend.
It's gonna be a great show.
I think it's going
taking
to be
a bath
awesome,
on
but
those.
they close that back
You're
area
going to
off.
have to.
It's
That's
too
just,
cold.
I mean, unfortunately, that's just a gamble. You know what I'm
I
saying?
don't know how we would
And,
load that.
that's what happened with the Packers, so you're going to have to on those.
It is
I
what
wouldn't
it is.
leave it there.
No, I'm not.
So 65
by no
apiece?
means.
Yeah,
Maybe my like dollar boxes, but no.
160.
You get a chance if they do that Harrisonburg show.
Anything less, I don't think I could, just because I want to into it. Yeah,
I'll do 160.
yeah, that works.
Appreciate
You've
it.
got my PayPal. Just send it over if you can.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Yeah, you're good,
I'll
man.
send it to
I
you,
hope
so.
everything gets a little bit better for you too.
Yes, sir. It's been you know.
Yeah.
You know. So.
No, I get it. I get it.
All right, man. I appreciate it. You
As
mind if I
always,
pop
yeah.
out here for a sec?
Yeah, you're good.
560. So I got 700 here.
Okay. Do you mind if I just?
Yeah, please
run
go
the
ahead.
numbers real quick?
So the only one that didn't have a price on it was the Joey Bosa. Last sales on it were 35.40.
I had it valued.
I put at 40.
I had it valued at 40.
Cool. So that was everything else.
Yeah, I just bought that today, so I'm pretty familiar with that one.
Thanks again, man.
You was always too.
I'm just trying to. I was trying to look.
Pull these out of your way. 40, 65.
What do I have so I don't have to get change? Oh, I forgot. I just bought that.
30. 655 plus 70.
I put cash in my pocket?
725 is what I have.
Let me see. Let me check. What did I have? I think I had 7.
Minus 30 here.
Yeah,
Minus
30, 70. I didn't touch that.
Oh, okay.
I didn't add that.
All right, then maybe I just didn't add one.
I did 30, 70,
Yeah, double check.
85, 150, 45, 30, 40, 25, 35. There it is. 50, 40, and 100. 700.
Okay.
Okay.
I might have just added one
Yeah.
wrong then. So 7. With that, we'll just add into the final
Yeah.
total. So 700. 6 plus the 75. I'll give you that because that you're getting
Yeah.
at like 50% of that comp, probably less or close to it. So if I add that in and then do the percentage, it's
Yeah.
probably about the same.
I was gonna offer you 650.
With that,
With that,
that's gonna be
650 total. So 580 here, and then 70 here. That puts at the 650. All cash.
You're at
580 there.
I think that's my best. It's $20 more. Only because I'm
That's
taking
fine.
it back
I'm not
there,
worried about it.
you know, appreciate
I'm not worried about it.
Yep. I get it.
I'm giving you back your.
Stuff.
I'm giving your 50 back though.
That
I took the 50 you just gave
That's
that guy
fine.
for him. All right. What was it again?
670.
670. 1, 2.
Maybe need to take a picture of. Probably not much. I bought a lot of this.
2, 3.
Yeah, the Amana is so nice.
It is. It's very nice. I was looking. I was like, that's all stuff I'd
And I
get.
looked at it. I thought it was number
1,
40. I
2,
didn't know it was
3,
number
4,
10.
5, 6, 70. 670.
If he comes back around, I'll take care of
No,
him too.
you're good. I appreciate it. So we got Amon Ross St. Brown out of 10, Jordan Addison RPA, Jaden Higgins out of 199, Gronk auto, Trevor Lawrence, Kyle Shanahan, Quinshon Junkins, Troy Aikman patch auto, Joey Bosa Prism silver auto, Jalen Warren out of 8, Reggie Wayne out of 35, Rashad Wallace, and Rasheed Wallace. Do you need a picture?
No, we're good.
Perfect.
A lot of that stuff.
Thank
is
you.
just
I appreciate it.
Mix and match. I appreciate you, man.
I don't even know the value of.
It's got to be up a little bit.
Yeah, the Garrett Wilson. I know I had somebody give me 100 for it.
100?
Yeah, I know. That one's gonna be hard for me to get rid of.
Yeah, Ohio, right?
Yeah, that's why I bought it. I bought it cheap, and I was like,
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep this for a minute. I show it off every show, and everybody's like, right there where I'm like borderline at, but I'm like,
Yeah. Yeah, so they do,
yeah, I bought it for 75.
yeah, they do 135, 150. And it was, I mean, it was back last year, and everybody's going to hit you with the, I think the price is down, but I think, let me see what this is, and then I'll just make you an offer. Mac Jones. Limited RPA out of 49, 52, 26. So that's a better patch. 41. Okay. Just to show you what I'm looking at. So this one's better patch, but it sold for 50. Then it had that's a vertical. Then it had one, it's a 3-color patch. It's sneaky. It's really only a 2. That did 26, but then one that's like yours, it has a little bit of a corner, did 40. I'd give you 140 for both. So what I'm looking at is like 30 and then 110.
Should do 150.
I probably couldn't. Because in all seriousness, I think I'll get...
And it's not the Mac Jones I'm worried about. It's just that Garrett Wilson's. Like I said, it's really hard for me to get rid of that. Because he's still young.
Yeah.
The Jets ever get.
I think I would get 150 for it. So I'd only make 20 bucks. Yeah. If not, it's no big deal. I think.
You said what? 140? You said?
Nah, 140. Yeah.
Let's do 140.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
Full of cash, I'd be able to find it. There's 140. Thank you again.
Yeah, appreciate you, bro.
Appreciate you. Thank you so much.
I'm definitely gonna find you.
Oh, thank you. It's TJX2 cards.
TJX2 cards?
Yeah. My name's Tyler, so.
Isaiah. Pleasure to meet
Isaiah,
you, man.
nice to meet you. Thank you. And thank you for the deal.
It's there. It's in Mahomes. I seen you been buying some bigger stuff too lately.
It makes sense. I mean, I bought 110 cards. I feel like, where could you be on it? The Kobe. The Kobe was insane. I felt so good about it. Where could you be on that? I know we've talked about it before. My initial offer before, well, it was, I think I was going to Philly and you were going to the Rivers show.
Yeah.
I think I offered you 13.
Just there's no like direct comps or anything.
I think I offered 13 for it. Because I think it's no direct comps and it's anywhere from 15 to 2K.
I would if we were doing cash,
All
I would
cash.
say for you, my straight shot, I want to be at like 15. I don't think that's a bad number on it.
It's not.
I know it's like probably ranges from the 15 to 2K. I feel like you can't go wrong with Mahomes. I'm not even trying to upset.
No, I get it.
Plus I know what I got into it, so I'm not making a whole lot on it, but I'm making a little bit on it where
It makes sense for you.
I've realized it's a harder card to sell for me because there is no direct card. But there is
That'll
cards
sell
out there
for it.
that
It'll sell for it,
validate-
yeah.
Yeah, that validates the number. 7. It's weird. It came from. It was in the.
Oh, it was this year.
It was in a Phoenix box.
Yeah, it was this year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A customer
That's right.
pulled it and
I
bought
remember
it.
that. I remember that. It was this year.
15 with the Genti. Basically putting that at 14 and then full price on that.
Only because you're a nice guy.
I appreciate you. That's an insane card. All cash. Yeah.
He ain't gonna get up and reach for it.
Let's see.
I don't know if the camera's rolling or not, but big one
1,
going out to our
2,
man
3,
TJ.
4,
Make sure
5,
you guys
6,
check him
7,
out.
8.
YouTube, Instagram, and all that.
1, 2, 3.
Patrick
4,
Mahomes auto
5,
out of
6,
7.
7, 8,
Going out.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Should be 15. Just check after me.
Yes, sir. Wow. So I got my lunch now.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm joking. Weird.
Oh, man. Appreciate
Appreciate
you
you.
always. Yes,
Absolutely.
sir. Enjoy that one, man. $1,500.
It's a good deal.
Can I have one?
So we got an Ashton Genti freshman fabric and Patrick Mahomes retrospect out of 7
Sick.
auto. God bless, it's a sick card. Appreciate you again.
No doubt, dude.
We got it for
Yes,
15.
sir.
So far, so good. We have bought a lot of cards. I think we're up to about 112 cards. Well, 113 if you take into account the Chris Henry RPA that I thought was Chris Johnson. Kind of got on that, but we gave that away. So shout out to B&B. We picked up a ton of cards, but to show off like the biggest card that we picked up, it is Patrick Mahomes out of 7 autograph. Insane card. We did really good at this show. Shout out to B&B, and we picked up a bunch of slabs too. So I might be heading out. If this is the last time you heard from me, just know no more deals. But if we go back in there, you know I'm filming. So I appreciate y'all.